Hi, my name is Pete. Welcome to our channel. We are going to be melting some precious metals today. These are basic tools you need for melting. We'll go in detail for each one of them. First and most important is your melting torch. I highly recommend this particular brand called Bernzomatic. You can buy it in hardware stores or online. The pistol comes separate from the bottle and you can detach it. I recommend yellow bottles. They are filled with MAP gas. They burn on higher temperatures, but it has its limits and you can melt up to 50 grams of precious metals. If you need to melt more than 50 grams, I suggest you go for oxybutane or electric or gas furnace. Next are ingot molds. They come in various shapes. This one is in cast iron. This one is also in casted iron. It's for wire ingots. The last one we have is from graphite, and we don't really use it that much, but it's okay for smaller ingots. It's also really important to oil your ingot molds. In this case we use WD-40. Borax in powder or granules. We bought ours in local grocery store in the laundry department. Next are crucibles for melting. These particular ones are made from quartz or porcelain. It's really important to glaze them before you use them. I'm gonna leave you a link of Mr. Andrew Berry, who goes in the detailed process how to glaze your crucibles. Check out his channel and subscribe because I learned a lot from him. This is how it comes from the factory, and this is how it looks glazed. It has thin layer of borax. If you melt a lot of metals, it's important to melt metals in different cups. We mark ours on the bottom so we don't mix them up. Next are tongs for holding the cups, and these particular ones are around 30 years old. It's from our dad. For the demonstration purpose, we are gonna melt some sterling silver. And we are gonna do a test before and after melting, so to see if we have any losses in melting process. I like to heat up the crucible at the angle, and at the same time we are heating up the ingot mold. It's important to preheat the crucible in front 1 or 2 minutes. Begin adding metal in batches, not all at once. Just before pouring, add a pinch of borax on top of metal. It helps clean metal of impurities. Before pouring, it's important to concentrate the flame on the lip of the crucible. This is our sterling silver ingot. We are gonna leave it for 10 minutes in the safety pickle. You can always make your own pickle by adding a cup of white vinegar and a tablespoon of salt. This is our ingot after 10 minutes of cleaning in pickle, and it turned out perfect. The weight is slightly less because there was a small piece of silver stuck on a crucible. I hope we have helped you in any way. If you still have a question, leave a comment. We will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support us, please subscribe to our channel.